the bright and sunny sky. Air transport takes us far, flying fair we are. This is an airplane big and bright, flying people day and night, across the oceans near and far, taking families where they are. This is a helicopter, spin, 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 flying where cars can't get in, helping doctors, police, and more, landing safely by the shore. This is a hot air balloon so bright, floating gently out of sight. It carries people nice and slow, watching the world far below. This is a rocket, strong and tall, flying higher than them all. It takes astronauts into space, zooming with amazing pace. This is a glider, smooth and light, floating softly in the bright sunlight. No engine noise, just wind so free, gliding through the sky with glee. This is a rescue helicopter, brave and fast, helping people when storms have passed. It saves lives both day and night, a flying hero in every flight. This is a parachute, soft and wide, floating gently with the wind as a guide. It helps people land with care, drifting safely through the air. This is a passenger jet so grand, flying people across the land, to visit friends or take a trip, fast and safe on every flight. This is a cargo plane so strong, carrying packages all day long, food and toys and medicine too, bringing helpful things to you. This is a firefighting plane so brave, helping forests it can save. It drops water from the sky, keeping everyone safe nearby. This is a space shuttle, sleek and strong, traveling where stars belong. It carries astronauts up so high, beyond clouds into the sky. This is a drone, small and smart, flying with a careful heart, taking pictures from above, showing places that we love. This is a weather balloon so high, floating up into the sky. It helps scientists learn each day how the weather comes our way. Fly together, 1, 2, 3. Air transportation sets us free. Planes and helicopters, balloons so bright, rockets soaring out of sight. Cargo planes and rescue too, helping people like me and you. Look up high and you will see the amazing sky is full of glee. Fly, fly, up we go, learning while we sing and grow. Air transportation, hooray, hooray! Let's fly high every day. Thanks for watching Kids Wonder Zone. We loved singing with you at home. Keep on learning, laugh and play. See you again another day.